Welcome to Classic Autos, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on cars and motorcycles. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Bajaj RE, a vehicle that continues to redefine practicality and efficiency in the three-wheeler segment. The 2025 Bajaj RE is designed for reliability and affordability, catering to those who need a robust and economical solution for personal or commercial use. Known for its compact design and exceptional maneuverability, it is ideal for navigating congested urban areas with ease. Bajaj has ensured that the RE maintains its iconic look while incorporating modern enhancements to meet current market demands. Under the hood, the 2025 Bajaj RE is powered by a refined engine that delivers optimal fuel efficiency, a key factor for users looking to save on operational costs. Its improved suspension system ensures a smoother ride even on bumpy roads, while the lightweight chassis contributes to better handling and durability. The upgraded braking system adds another layer of safety, ensuring reliable stopping power in various driving conditions. The cabin of the Bajaj RE has been designed with comfort and practicality in mind. The seating arrangement provides ample space for passengers, making it a popular choice for public transportation and shared mobility services. Bajaj has also focused on ergonomics, offering a more comfortable driving position for the operator, reducing fatigue during long hours of use. When it comes to features, the 2025 Bajaj RE offers subtle yet significant upgrades. The dashboard now includes a digital display, providing essential information like speed, fuel levels, and trip data. Additional storage options are available, allowing for greater convenience during daily operations. The vehicle also comes with improved lighting systems, including brighter headlights and tail lamps for enhanced visibility and safety at night. One of the standout qualities of the 2025 Bajaj RE is its environmental friendliness. Bajaj has introduced cleaner engine technology, ensuring reduced emissions and compliance with modern environmental standards. This makes it an excellent choice for eco-conscious buyers looking for a sustainable mode of transportation. The 2025 Bajaj RE remains a reliable workhorse, whether you are an individual seeking a budget-friendly personal vehicle or a business owner looking to expand your fleet. Its proven track record, combined with modern updates, makes it a smart investment for those prioritizing value, efficiency, and dependability. If you want to stay updated on more vehicles like this or explore additional content related to cars and motorcycles, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Classic Autos. Your support keeps us going, and we promise to bring you more exciting reviews, comparisons, and insights into the world of automobiles. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.